Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Android 9 Pie's security update for August 2019 was released for Pixel devices. However, the Pixel C is not included, but all other Pixel devices are included. Now you can download this over the air. As you can see, we're on the August 1st update here, and this particular update seems like it was made on August 1st, but it was released on August 5th today. Now, this particular one brings with it a host of security updates as well as some fixes. There's not going to be any new features at this point since Android Q is only about a month or so away. So let's take a look at the build number and then we'll talk about all the different changes or updates. The build number is PQ3B.190.801.002, and there are 16 moderate to high security updates that have to do with the system overall, and then there's additional ones beyond that. So the moderate to high security updates have to do with elevation of privilege and remote code execution patches regarding the Android runtime, the framework, the media framework, and the system. There's also one security update that's critical for the Broadcom Bluetooth modem, as well as 5 Qualcomm security updates for LAN or WLAN, and then 4 Qualcomm critical security updates for their closed source components. So all of those different updates are applied in this particular one. So it's very important to update this. Now, as far as the 3 major things that they've actually fixed, they have to do with Wi-Fi. So your particular Wi-Fi network, whatever you're using. So as far as Wi-Fi is concerned, there are some major updates as far as network configuration improvements for all Pixel devices. And then also the second fix has to do with Wi-Fi captive portal login stability improvements. And that also covers all Pixel devices. So if you're having issues with Wi-Fi, those should be fixed as far as logging back in and then having connectivity improvements and things like that and stability overall. And then the final fix has to do with sleep mode improvements. So that's specific to the Pixel 3a and 3a XL. If you were having issues with the Pixel sleep, maybe using battery, not working properly, it should be fixed in this particular update. And that is it for all of the different changes and fixes, but the overall speed of this device seems to be pretty good. In the little time that I've used it, since it's been updated, it's actually performing better than I would expect for a Pixel 3a XL. So maybe they tweaked something there, but overall, it's very, very smooth. And then for those of you that like benchmarks and things like that, I ran a Geekbench and AnTuTu benchmark. So let me show you that quickly. We'll go to the history for Geekbench. And if you have a 3a XL, this is what it should be around. If you have a Pixel 3 or 3 XL, it's going to be higher than this, but I scored 1,615 for a single core and 5,167 for multi-core. If we take a look at the AnTuTu benchmark, we'll just go here. And you'll see it scored 157,229 for the overall score. It says it defeated 34% of users. So pretty good overall. I don't have a previous version of that to compare it to, but I would say performance is quite good and overall battery should be good as well. The Pixel 3a XL's battery is really quite good. So that's it for all of the specific updates to this particular patch in August. Again, watch for the Android Q Beta 6 update and then the final release within about a month or 2, depending on when Google decides to push that out. But let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found anything else that Google hasn't mentioned or Android Notes have not mentioned, let me know in the comments below. Of course, I'll link this wallpaper in the description as I always do. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more of these videos as soon as they're released. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.